Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock or protect your files in Google Drive. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, open your Google Drive and then click on New here and then click on More. And here's select Connect More Apps to find the apps that you need to lock or protect your files. Okay, so this is the Google Workspace Marketplace. You just click on the search column and here type in the keyword lock. And here you'll find the lock unlock file for Drive. Just click on the apps and then install the app first. Okay, click on continue. Sign in with your Google account. Okay, so the lock these apps will be can be found in this icon right here, and then I'm going to close it first. Okay, so I'm going to find it. So this is the file. I'm going to open the apps. Okay, so here what you need to do is you need to select files from Google Drive. So just click on that, but you need to log in first. Okay. Oops. Okay, I need to authorize it first. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, so here you just need to find the files that you want to protect or lock. I'm going to, okay, this one's right here and select. Okay, so you can just click on lock all files. Okay, the login checking. Okay, so now the let's see the file. The Gantt chart file. Okay, so now the file has been locked and you can just view the files. Okay, so here is the file that I lock, and you can see that the file is locked and the edits can be made unless the document is unlocked by an editor. So unless I unlock this file, so this file can be edited by others person or others that is have access to this file. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can lock or protect your files in Google Drive. I think that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial.